Hello, this is XENONLED, and as always, before selling and shipping, we check our headlights condition. Now we have transporter or multivan full LED headlights. They're absolutely new, in perfect condition, with clear glasses on both headlights, with safe plastics, not broken, not fixed. Also comes with all ballast. You can see it by yourself. This is in perfect condition. All mounts are safe, not broken. Also you can see their stickers, original. You can see that both headlights in perfect, incredible condition. So now I'm gonna turn them on. You can see that they perfectly works. Hopefully for us. All function is working, perfect, shining. I hope you like this video and see you soon in our shop.